This is a 10-inch miter saw trying to cut a 6x6. Yeah, a 12-inch saw would have done a lot better. But my point being, even if it is a 12-inch saw, you got to cut it and then you got to flip it over to finish the cut. Let's see if we can do it a little bit easier. Now, alternative to a miter saw is you can use this flat top chainsaw jig. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the saw in it and we're going to cut a 0 clearance here. And then let's see if we can cut some posts. So there's our 0 clearance. It'll speed things up.